Are you looking for a way to handheld game? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew. Today we're going to be looking at an awesome product that basically saves you money from buying the PS5 handheld console. Lots of money. It saves you lots of money. We're going to be looking at the Abxylute handheld streaming game system right here. Very awesome, but as you know, in every episode we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back. So let's unbox this awesome gaming console from Abxylute. So this is a handheld streaming console. I mean, it's also got Android on it. You can do a lot of different things with it, but it's perfect for streaming your PS5 or Xbox or even your Steam playlist on it. So let's open it up. Of course, you're going to have the user manual, which looks like it's going to be in a couple different languages right here. Very awesome. And as you'll see, it is in English. It has all the warranty information and just pretty much what the buttons and stuff do. But right there you go if you need to contact them. It does come with its charging cable right here, which looks to be a USB-C cable. Very awesome. It's always great to see the new consoles and new modern technology that has the USB-C. And wow, the product itself, look at that. It comes with a protective case. I did not know this. Very awesome. Let's open it. Oh, wow, look at that. This thing looks and feels awesome. The quality of it is definitely A+. Such a great finish on it. I love the white. It's like it's got these little joysticks, which remind me of the Nintendo Switch. Buttons feel good as well. Feels very responsive. And of course, we gotta do this. Ta-da! Wow. Abxylute, you've made an amazing product. This thing looks and feels great. The fact that it's got triggers on it like this, amazing. And great bumpers. Wow, such an awesome product. Can't wait to try it out. Let's get on with it. This is the Abxylute streaming handheld gaming system. It is a 7-inch portable gaming console and it is phenomenal. Unmatched remote play. Seamlessly connect to your PlayStation, PC, and Xbox with minimized latency. Enjoy your favorite games in your palm anytime with Wi-Fi without being tied to the desktop or TV. Cloud gaming plus more. The Abxylute supports cloud gaming services such as Xbox Cloud Gaming, NVIDIA GeForce Now, and provides a diverse gaming library at your fingertips. Experience a wide array of games and media all in one device. Stunning 1080p display. It's a 7-inch 1080p touchscreen, and it delivers an immersive gaming experience with a 60Hz refresh rate at a 16:9 aspect ratio. Enjoy vibrant visuals and crisp details that bring your games to life. Extended play with an ergonomic design. The Abxylute boasts over 8 hours of battery life and a 430-gram lightweight ergonomic build, ensuring comfort for long gaming sessions. Precision engineered controls. Enjoy precision engineered controls with drift-free Hall joysticks and solid ABXY buttons, perfect for intense gameplay. The Abxylute has it all. It also works with Luna and Steam. That's right, you can use Steam to play all kinds of games.
Hey everybody, so I wanted to do this quick real-time review thing right here on a really cool feature that I found out. By the way, I'm loving the Abxylute device. I just think it's awesome. Just really cool being able to stream games on here and not spend $500. So right here, you know, we can play our Steam library. So we're gonna load up Steam in big picture mode, right? So this right here should allow me to stream my Steam library. So you'll notice that I have Diablo 4 right here. I did not buy Diablo 4 through Steam. I bought it through Battle.net. So I had to manually add it. But as you see, it's got the little keyboard and mouse, right? But I'm loading it in big picture mode. So when we go to launch it, I can click resume and you'll see nothing happens. It's acting like I can't play it. Well, here's a trick. We want to get ourselves out of big picture mode. Did you see that? What'd that look like? Now we're streaming my desktop through Steam. So we're going to go down here. We're going to click Battle.net. We're going to click play. And it's loading up Diablo 4. This means I am now streaming Diablo 4 from the Battle.net player on my desktop by using the Steam Stream ability. So load up my character just to show you guys kind of how it works. But I thought this was super awesome, super convenient. I know that not everybody has bought this game through Steam, and a lot of people have it on Battle.net. Well, there is a way you can now stream it to this kind of device to be able to play. And everything works. It is set up just like the controller. So you'll see I can go to waypoints, all that stuff. It literally functions the exact same way. Let's just go over here real quick. It's fully set up for an Xbox controller. That's what these are. These are all set up underneath the Xbox controls, right? So I just thought this was super cool because I know some people feel like they're restricted to playing certain things through certain apps, right? So if you use Steam and you go to manually add a game on Steam, then you should be able to launch it once you're out of big picture mode and just set it up directly, just like that. Hop on my horse. Hopefully I won't die because I do not play this very often on keyboard and mouse. I meant on controller. But it is the full setup right there on controller. I thought this was really cool. Like I said, I'm loving the device, and hopefully this video helps you. I'm just gonna slip it in the middle. Let's get back to the review. This has been an extremely fun device. The one note that I would give though is that it is built for streaming. So if you're looking to play a bunch of Android games on this, some of them may work and some of them may not, because it's a streaming device. If you're looking for something that's capable of doing on-device gaming, this may not be right for you. But if you're looking for a way to play your PlayStation, your Xbox, your Steam library, Luna gameplay, cloud gaming, all of that on one device, then this is perfect. Don't you love how the future is like now? That's right. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We want to give a huge shout out to Abxylute for sponsoring this video. All the links will be down below in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I've been today's host, Matthew, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!